Okay, you ready for this tour?
Hi, my name is Lorelei, and today my mom and I are going to give a tour of our family's bed and breakfast.
I'm Gwenda, and I've been innkeeper for 25 years. This home is a federal colonial style. It was built in the 1820s. It has a lot of character, is how I choose to describe it. It's an old house, so we hope you enjoy.
Yeah.
Welcome. Oh, this is our front entryway. Do you have anything to say about the front entryway, Mom?
You'll notice this has a double staircase. This is unusual for this area. The one is original on the left-hand side. This other one was added later on, and we think it was because it became a two-family home at one point, and then they turned it back into a single family, kept the two staircases, and made it into a very elegant foyer area.
All right, let's do the bottom part of the house first. So this is the guest living room. You can see we have a nice fireplace, piano, a painting I actually did, a little coffee station. Do you have anything else to say about this room, Mom?
This is the gathering area, so often you'll see people here before breakfast with their cup of coffee as they're ready for breakfast to be served. And come on into the dining room and you'll see where we serve breakfast. We have 3 rooms in the bed and breakfast, hence 3 tables. And you'll notice we have a little menu board over there so that when guests come down in the morning, they can see what's up to be served that morning.
Yeah, and breakfast is from 8 to 9 every morning, right?
Yep. All right, follow me and we'll go upstairs.
Wait, we gotta show them the little guest bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
But it has the world map.
Okay.
Mom recently redid this. Is the guest bathroom. We have a news article that my mom got because she made some really cool stuff in the local newspaper. We have our booking.com rating, and this is my favorite thing. I actually made this when I was in high school. It's a world map, and guests can put a little pin where they're from. So yeah, it's very cool. So we're going upstairs. So we have like a little platform in the middle of the stairs. Okay, you can't see it, my lenses. We're in the middle, and you go and there's another landing. We have a little couch sitting area up here. And then this is the first guest room. You want to say something about it, Mom?
This is the captain's room. It has a king-size bed. This room I especially like because it has a view to the river. And when the leaves are off in the fall,
Wait,
you
can't see it.
You have
there
a
it
really
is.
good view of the river.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit more spacious room.
Yeah. What are you going to say about
It
it?
has a little desk if you need to do some writing. It has a sitting area here. And then
TV in the corner. And our guest rooms are kind of themed. Like, so this is the captain's room, so it's kind of nautical themes. Like, we got like paintings. Oh, we have a model ship over there. I don't know, it's nice, it's nice. We have this guy's head right here. He kind of creeps me out. I don't like that, but whatever. And then this is the bathroom.
It's a smaller bath. It's a
Down
shower
the
bath.
hallway. Yeah, it's still a nice bathroom. Yeah. Painting in this hallway over here is actually from a guest that stayed with us, which is really cool. Okay, we do in the next room.
Elizabeth room. Let me turn some lights on first.
So we're walking out of the captain's room. We have this little entryway, little hallway. You can see the chandelier above the stairs. And then right over here is the Elizabeth room.
And the Elizabeth room is so named after the previous innkeeper. Her name was Elizabeth Lindsay, and we really wanted to keep something in the house named after her. So this is the Elizabeth room.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It has a queen-size bed.
It's very pink. As a kid, I wanted this room.
It's a little more Victorian.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Through here is the bathroom. This has a nice sized bathroom. It actually was a small bedroom that we turned into a bathroom.
Oh, and we just put in this dresser here. Just got that. I think it looks really nice right there.
There's a story behind that bureau or dresser.
Oh, can you show them the hidden thing?
Yes.
Okay.
This we found in an estate sale up the river, and come to find out, it was actually a piece that was in our neighbor's house So our next door neighbors. And so it has come back to this neighborhood, and it has these really cool handles, these pools. But underneath, and I've never seen this, but apparently it's something in this style, is a hidden drawer.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Isn't that wild?
Yeah. All right, next we're headed to the tall chimney room, and you'll see why it's called the tall chimney room in a second. All right, you want to tell us about this room, Mom?
Yeah, this beautiful brick chimney. My husband painstakingly chipped all the horsehair plaster off of it. It was covered with horsehair plaster.
And he added like a little train thing.
Yeah, we have a train track that goes around the chimney, and sometimes the train goes around it. We added that because we were part of a bed and breakfast open house Christmas tour, and every bed and breakfast had its own theme, and ours was trains. So you enter
This room is
here.
kind of train themed in general. We got a bunch of
We
like
have
paintings
train
of trains
paintings.
and whatnot.
There's a train on display above the door.
Above the door, and then this is the bed right here. See that? You come around. It's a little bit smaller of a room, but it makes up for how small it is in the room for how big the bathroom is. If you can see that. We have a jacuzzi and yeah, nice little bathroom.
And out here, and when the weather's nice, is a nice little balcony.
Yeah, and Dad built this, right? Yeah. Overlooks our parking lot. Okay. Can you let me in? Let me back in. I'm gonna show you guys something that a lot of guests don't usually get to see.
This is a bonus.
Okay, you wanna go up? Turn the lights. This is something that you guys have to see. It's like a bonus section of the bed and breakfast. Like I go up these creepy little old steps, right? And then you're like, whoa, where am I? Why are there so many books? And this is our attic.
It's like books a million.
Yeah, so my dad really likes books. Do you have anything to say about that, Mom? Do you think he has a book addiction?
I think he really enjoys books. He's a high school history teacher, and he loves to sell books too and share
So
them
do you
with
think this is a
everybody.
problem?
No, I don't see it's a problem.
Do you
'cause
think
he
he's a
loves to
book
get rid of
hoarder?
them. He's definitely a bookworm.
A book hoarder?
Oh, book hoarder? Nah,
Like,
because he enjoys selling them.
yeah. So this is a little tour of our attic, and yeah, it's very cool. Well, not a lot of guests come up here, but this is part of the bed and breakfast that I really like. Even though it is a little bit too many books, he does definitely have a lot of books. Okay, that's the tour. That was a quick tour of my family's bed and breakfast in Maine that my mom runs. If you have any questions for us about how to run a bed and breakfast, or want any video requests on how we manage it, how we take care of it, put it down in the comments. And we have cooking videos that Mom and I do, the breakfasts that she makes for the guests every week, so check those out.
Thank you.
All right, bye.